Hey, what's up everyone? It's Saiful Islam back with another video. Welcome back to Today Financial Analysis, your go-to place for simple, smart, and actionable financial advice. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic: how to start investing with just $500. You might be thinking, $500 isn't much. But guess what? It's more than enough to get started and plant the seed for some serious financial growth. Stick around because I'll share practical steps, beginner-friendly platforms, and tips to help you maximize your $500. Let's get started. Is $500 even enough to invest? The short answer? Absolutely. Thanks to technology, we've got apps and platforms that let you start investing with literally pocket change. No more excuses about needing a ton of money up front. That $500 has the potential to snowball into way more thanks to the magic of compound interest. Think of it like this. You invest your $500, and let's say it earns a modest 7% return per year on average. In 10 years, without lifting a finger, you could be looking at nearly $1,000. Starting small is the name of the game. Alright, before you even think about where to put your $500, we need to talk about you. What are your financial goals? Are you trying to build a retirement nest egg, saving up for a down payment, or just want to grow your money faster? Defining your goals is crucial because it determines your investment strategy. Be specific. How much money do you want to accumulate? By when do you need it? Having a clear target in mind will guide your investment decisions. Now that you've got your financial compass pointing in the right direction, it's time to pick where you'll actually park your $500. One of my top recommendations for beginners is Robinhood. It's super intuitive, charges zero commission fees, and lets you invest in stocks, ETFs, and even crypto. Another awesome option is Acorns. This app rounds up your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it automatically. If you're looking for a bit more control and customization, check out M1 Finance. And of course, we can't forget about the titans of the investment world, Fidelity and Vanguard. These platforms are known for their low costs and wide selection of investment options. So, do your research, compare these platforms, and choose the one that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Okay, you've set your goals, picked your platform. Now comes the exciting part, choosing what to invest in. Here are 3 beginner-friendly investment strategies that can set you up for success. First up, we've got index funds and ETFs. These spread your money across hundreds or even thousands of companies. One of the most popular options is the S&P 500 ETF, which tracks the performance of 500 of the largest US companies. Next, we've got individual stocks. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous and want to invest in specific companies you believe in, go for it. Start with companies you know and understand, like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. And finally, for those who prefer a hands-off approach, we've got Robo-Advisors. Platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront use algorithms to build and manage a personalized investment portfolio for you. They do all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Now before you go all in on your favorite meme stock, there's one crucial thing you need to understand. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The stock market is like a roller coaster. It has its ups and downs. The key is to not panic sell when the market throws a tantrum. Remember, you're in it for the long haul. Over time, the stock market has historically trended upwards. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on time in the market. One of the best ways to ride out market fluctuations is through dollar-cost averaging. By investing consistently, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. Alright, let's do a quick recap of the key steps to start investing with just $500. Step 1, define your goals. Figure out what you're investing for, whether it's retirement, a down payment on a house, or just growing your wealth. Step 2, choose a platform. We talked about beginner-friendly options like Robinhood, Acorns, M1 Finance, Fidelity, and Vanguard. Step 3, pick your strategy. Index funds, ETFs, individual stocks, Robo-Advisors. There are plenty of options to get started. Step 4, think long-term. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Ride out the market fluctuations, stay consistent with your investments, and let compound interest work its magic. Starting with $500 today is better than waiting for the perfect time or until you have more money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Today Financial Analysis for more beginner-friendly financial tips. And hey, I'm curious, what are you planning to invest your first $500 in? Drop a comment below and let me know your investment ideas. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll